You have a clock right here that tells you how long you can drive up until you have to take your break or your drive time. This is what you're allowed to drive in one full day, which is 11 hours. You have your shift clock, meaning you can only work 14 hours in a day. Then you have your cycle clock, which is pretty much your 70-hour clock. Whenever you're doing anything on duty, your break clock and your shift clock, pretty much these three clocks will be going down. Only time this clock is gonna go down is when you're driving. Once these two meet up, then your clock is just gonna be going down. Once this clock starts for the day, it does not stop. When you do your pre-trip, 15 minutes is gonna be gone from your break, 15 minutes is gonna be gone from your shift, 15 minutes is gonna be gone from your cycle. If you drive from 3 hours, you're gonna have 8 hours left on your drive. Missing 3 hours plus those 15 minutes. On your shift, you're going to be missing 3 hours plus the 15 minutes. For your cycle, you're going to be missing 3 hours plus that 15 minutes. If you sit still for 3 hours, that shift clock is still going down. Once this clock ends, you need to be shut down.